Welcome. If you want to save time replying to emails, Gmail's Smart Reply feature is a game changer. It offers quick, one-tap responses based on the message you've received, making email conversations faster and more efficient. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on Smart Reply suggestions in the Gmail app, updated for 2025. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to enable Smart Reply. Next, look for the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the menu. Now, scroll down the menu until you see the Settings option. Give that a tap. In the Settings menu, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to Gmail. Tap on the specific email account where you want to turn on Smart Reply. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Smart Reply. This is where you can control whether Gmail offers you those helpful pre-written responses. To enable Smart Reply, simply check the box next to Smart Reply. That's it. Gmail will now start suggesting quick replies whenever you're responding to emails. With Smart Reply turned on, you'll notice suggested responses appear at the bottom of incoming emails. Just tap one to use it, or edit the text before sending if you want to personalize your reply. If you ever want to turn off Smart Reply, just follow these same steps and uncheck the box. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to handle emails more efficiently, whether you're managing work, school, or personal conversations. Give it a try and see how much time you can save with Gmail's Smart Reply.